What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today should be a super exciting, huge day because today we are taking this thing on its maiden voyage. We are taking this thing on its first test drive since we've done the axle swap. This thing has been sitting for like 3-4 months. I know, it's incredible, but yes. Actually, maybe not that long. I don't know, but it's been sitting for a while. And today we are finally gonna take it on its first test drive. I spent all morning finishing the power steering system. You can't see any of it. There's the reservoir, the pump, the cooler. I've been working on that, getting it all tight. There was a small leak, which I believe was just a hose that I tightened up. We're good. All the bolts and nuts on this thing are tight. Man, we are ready for this. We got everything on the engine bay put back together, the intercooler pipe, the belt, the AC. We threw in a brand new Dolson air filter. I bought this tool right here to bleed the brakes. It works off of compressed air. Way over there, I don't know how well you can see it. That's my little compressor. That thing sucks. I got it for free, so I'm not mad at it. But I don't know if it was because of the compressor, I'm pretty sure, but it just wasn't working. So we went the old-fashioned way. My wife was pumping the brakes. I was opening them over here on the bleeder valve. I believe we got it. We did still use it to collect all of the fluid that was already in the lines. We filled it up with all new .3 brake fluid on this thing. So we got steering, we got brakes, we should have power. We'll be good. Let's fire this thing up. Oh, but before I fire it up, with the last video that I did, that video was actually sandbagged. I recorded it before I started this swap. But I wanted to get those out to you guys, and honestly, I didn't feel anything last week, so I figured I would do that video. Ever since then, though, between the time that I recorded that video and then from that video posting last week, I actually basically sold out of brackets. But I do have a new order coming in. It should be done sometime this week coming up. So within a week, those will be done. Everybody that commented, they sent me an email. By the way, that's the best way to reach me, by email or through DM if you want brackets. I'll leave the email down here, as well as my Instagram and down in the description. And I want to answer a couple questions. I ship them via USPS. You get a tracking number. I am working on a website, but for now I take payment via PayPal. That's the easiest way for me and for you. And yeah, everybody that's used them, has been really happy. I really like them. I'm really proud of them. And I am working on a set for the 08 through 10 bumpers. So hopefully pretty soon we'll have brackets for the 2017 plus, and then we'll have brackets for the 08 through 10. So almost fell. Anyways, I'm gonna fire this thing up and we're gonna drive it out of here. Like I said, I'm so excited to do that. So let's get right to it. Okay, so it actually fired up, so it's pretty exciting. Let's take the e-brake off. And let's drive this thing, see what happens. Brakes work, a little spongy. So it made it at least to the driveway. That's a win. And we're gonna go around the block real quick, see how it does. It's obviously not street legal right now. No bumpers, no license plates, no brake lights. So we're only gonna drive this around the neighborhood, but we'll at least get an idea for how it feels. And I missed that sound. Oh, there's some noise. Not sure where it's coming from. Oh, I just found something out. So I think that our steering wheel is definitely not straight, so we are gonna have to work with that, fix it. And our alignment is, I think, way off. So this is a little dirt road, and so far I gotta say that this thing feels way smoother down it than what it used to before. Man, this thing just sounds so good. Like, I don't know how well you guys can hear that, but man, it sounds good. Let's see. There's a few bumps right here. But it's definitely better. It is definitely better. Let's see right here. Oh yeah, that is way better. So like all of these like bumps that I'm going over, before, like, they would have made the truck literally jump. Like, that's how bad it was. So far, even like in this little test drive, I can tell you that this thing is way better than it was before. Man, I'm super excited that this thing's driving. Like, so far everything feels pretty good. We're gonna stop somewhere around here and make sure there's no leaks or nothing from the power steering. You see, like that bump before, it would have made the whole truck like literally jump, and now it actually took it decently well. So I think the brakes still need bleeding. So it's super windy, so hopefully you can hear me. But it looks like we don't have any leaks. And man, this thing just looks good. It looks super mean. I can't wait till we throw the bed back on this thing. That's like literally all it needs. I am excited that I'm finally driving this thing again. Like that angle right there. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to have it 100% put back together. Oh yeah, the brakes definitely still need bleeding. So anyways, I want to see how sharp this thing can turn. Hate it. So that's pretty good. That is definitely good. actually has suspension now. It's crazy. I don't know, this thing is fun. I really can't wait to have this thing out off-road. Obviously, like you guys just saw, open diffs, so this thing's not going anywhere. But I want to take it, I want to flex it, I want to see what it really has. But anyways, guys, let's head back home and see how everything did. Make sure that nothing leaked, make sure we're good. So let's go back home. Okay guys, and just like that, we made it back home. No leaks. That was from the first time that we put the power steering on, but no leaks. No weird rattles or anything. I don't know what was going on in the back, but I could hear like a little scratching noise. But you know, it's one of those things that I think it self clearance, because it went away. I am gonna look into it a little bit more, see if there's anything that looks like it was rubbing. Man, other than that, guys, this thing is basically done. Like the actual suspension part of this is actually done. Now we gotta throw the bed back on this thing. Before we do that, we gotta clean out the tanks, put new screens in them, new filters on the fuel pump, which we can do that with the bed on. That's not a problem, but it's easier right now. And oh, I also have to switch out these bolts because I got some that are the actual size. These are a little bit small. Somewhere along these masts I have the right sized ones for this thing. But yeah guys, I am so excited. This thing drove, it looked great, it performed amazing. It still rides like a truck, don't get me wrong, it still rides like a truck, but it is night and day difference from what it used to be before. And I can't wait to actually take it on a trip, like I said, go on the highway, go off-road, and see how it really performs. But for now guys, that is gonna be it. Hit the like button if you are as glad and happy as I am that this thing is finally put back together and that it made its first trip. Leave a comment with any suggestions, any questions you might have. Again, leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.